Hey girls, Sarah Farnsworth here. Wanted to follow up and thank you again for shopping with me this summer and with 31. Unfortunately, with our huge outlet sale that we didn't anticipate and our move to our brand new distribution center in Texas, things were delayed. That is not okay. That is not typical 31. It's never happened before, and I am pretty positive they will make sure it doesn't happen again. But that just really is a bummer. I always pride myself on really great customer service, and 31 did not deliver that this summer, and I apologize for that. So the good news is that as an apology, 31 is issuing everyone that shopped this summer a $20 product credit. So you have a $20 product credit loaded in your account with the email that you used when you shopped this summer. So you can use this credit anytime you want. It will just take $20 off your total. You can use it now anytime until November 11th. So unfortunately, we don't have it figured out that you can shop under a party until the 25th of this month, which is September. But after that, you can apply those orders to a party order if you're shopping under a party or a monthly gift club like several of you are. So the way that you're going to do this is you are going to log into my website, so my31.com/Farns, F-A-R-N-S, and you are going to create an account. You're going to put your name in, add a password, and your email that you typically shop 31 with. You are going to log in, then you'll see under the rewards area, or when you're checking out, you will see that $20 product credit available there for you to apply. So I would caution you that if you shop with more than one email, or typically use more than one email, and you log in and create your account and you don't see that product credit, to let me know. Perhaps it's a different email than you used. I do have a report of all the people that shopped with me and what their order numbers were and their emails, so I can definitely troubleshoot that with you. Or if you try and log in and you can't see that product credit, something's up. So we definitely want to take care of that with you. So let me know if you're able to do that. Again, you can log it in now and you can see, or you can wait until you decide to shop, and then you can use it at that time as well. So again, you can shop anytime from now until November 11th. We have this brand new fall collection that's absolutely amazing. I can't wait for people to just see it, and I feel like the catalog doesn't even do it justice. So really good specials coming up. This month we have 6 amazing specials for $25, all of our purses and several of those news with 3 of my favorites. So now is a great time to shop, or again, you can use it all of October and through the beginning part of November until the 11th. So if you have any questions how to redeem that, let me know. I'm gonna send a quick image behind this video just so that you can see exactly step by step what to do. But if you have questions, please let me know. And again, I wanna thank you so much for shopping with me and just supporting my business and our family. But also I apologize again for the delay with your order this summer. Definitely not 31 norm. So again, enjoy this product credit. If there's ever anything that I can do to help you, or if you want me to send a fall catalog out so that you can make your wish list, I'm happy to do that. So again, thank you so much for being a part of my 31 story. And again, I'm sorry about this little blip in the road this summer. Take care.